Hello, fellow story explorers. Isn't it a beautiful day out?
That may be true, but there are some clouds in my head.
Autopilot engaged. Hey, Philo, what's up?
Well, I've been inspired to write my own book.
First of all, let me tell you, that is amazing that you're writing your first book.
But I don't know where to start.
Okay, you need to decide if your book is going to be fiction or nonfiction.
Say what?
Let me explain. Do you want to write a story that is make-believe, which is fiction? Or do you want to write a book about real facts, which is nonfiction?
Well...
Stanley, there appears to be someone at the door.
This high in the sky?
Maybe they're just really tall, like a giraffe. I always wanted to meet a giraffe. I hope it's a giraffe.
Be careful, Stanley.
Hello? Is anyone home?
Oh, Cody, the giraffe can talk. It can talk.
Oh, my.
May I come in? It's chilly out here.
Of course. Come right in.
Thank you. What a charming vessel.
Don't touch.
I must say, I don't remember the Eternal Library being able to fly. How rude of me. I am the Antiquarian, the bringer of books.
Auntie, is that you? It's been ages.
Oh, Cody! Daknee! You're looking handsome as ever.
Oh, thank you, Annie. I've been working out, mostly arms.
Certainly not your brain.
I'm sorry, I just wasn't expecting company this high up.
I have a flying contraption that gets me to out-of-the-way places. Think drone, but bigger and older. The last time I visited this place, it was in shambles. And I haven't received a beacon in more than a dozen years.
Well, I salvaged what I could and I rebuilt it into this.
I am absolutely delighted. It's my job to hunt down rare finds and deposit them in the Eternal Library. I have 2 real gems to deposit into the library. The first is The Wonderful Wizard of Oz by L. Frank Baum. And the second, appropriately so, The Wright Brothers by Quentin Reynolds.
Is that a nonfiction book?
Philo, my dear. The last time I saw you, you were a tiny thing.
Well, I've been eating my veggies.
Well, to answer your question, The Wright Brothers is a nonfiction book because it's about real people and real events that actually happened. Whereas The Wonderful Wizard of Oz is about characters and places from the author's imagination. I have bearings on a rare original copy of Goodnight Moon. I must be off.
See you soon.
Oh, my tea and biscuits, we're back. We are back.
I really like her. So what do you think, Philo? Are you gonna write a fiction book or a nonfiction book?
Maybe I'll write a book about my family. That's it. History of the Keepers.
Oh, that sounds like a wonderful addition to the Eternal Library.
Oh, maybe I'll write a book. Get the biceps you've always wanted in 8 days.
And that sounds like a wonderful addition to a gas station magazine rack.
Dream big, Cody. I don't dream at all. Don't dream at all.
That's it for today, fellow story explorers. Remember to always be kind and never judge a book or a person by their cover. See you next time, friends.
Come ride the magical, incredible, fantastical. Come ride the very airy library.
Can we stop for some food on the way home? I'm hungry from all this thinking.